Alright guys, we're gonna do tonight is I guess we're gonna do a little bit of a ladder challenge, I believe it's called, Mortal Kombat. Never really played a whole lot of this game. Never been too big on the fighting games, but I guess we'll see how it goes. Let's see. Oh, Kratos, God of War, Scorpion, Kang was kinda cool. We'll go let's see here. We'll go with Scorpion. And then what'd you say you get on expert?
Or you don't get anything on that.
Oh, you don't get anything? Well, yeah, we'll do it. Let's do it. How many people is it?
10.
10 people? I got this. I got this. Shiva. Shiva ain't got shit. Shiva's going down. It's 2:30 in the morning. And we're gonna do this tower. Oh, I didn't want to. I missed the whole intro. Woo! Oh shit! What the fuck? Holy shit! The bitch jumps all over the place. Yeah. Oh no! Ha! Not today. Oh, I don't know what this guy can do. Oh shit! I know you can do that. Oh! Damn it! Shit! Just hit fucking buttons and hope it hits something. Damn. Oh fuck. Woo! Oh shit. This is not looking good. Yeah, go fuck. Fuck. Fuck! Oh, damn it! Oh, yeah. Oh, she fucking... Woo! Motherfucker. Alright, alright, hold up. Alright. We got this. We're gonna do, let's see, what kind of combos we got going on here. How the hell am I ever gonna remember this shit? I don't even know about those. Yeah. Alright. Let's go. Well, that fucking worked. No, fucking bitch. Yeah, get the fuck out of my house. No, get the fuck out of the way. Oh my god. Oh, yeah. Get the shit kicked out of you. Woo! No, oh my. Gotta get the fuck out of the way. Get the fuck out of the way. Oh, fuck. Woo! Get the fuck out. Motherfucker, you're not beating me. No! Damn! Bitch just fucking punch. Oh shit! What the f... What the fuck? Don't even try to look seductive. You got 4 arms. Alright. We're gonna do this again.
Vengeance will be mine. Round 1. Fight.
Yeah. Hit that bitch. Come on. Come on, you fucking... Fuck! Fuck! Damn! Uh-oh. Damn it, did she block my shit? Like, I don't even know what the fuck's going on right now. Oh. Oh. Oh, fuck.
Round 2. Fight.
Yo, what the fuck? She's the first goddamn level. Oh my fucking god, what the fuck? How many times do I have to do this shit? Oh. Fuck you! You have. Oh my fuck. No, I'm not losing this shit now. No! No!
Wins.
Dude. Fuck Scorpion. Select a different guy. That's some bullshit. What we got? What does this guy do? That guy shoots like fucking lightning. Luke. I'm gonna go with this guy. Jesus. That was just fucking four-armed mutant.
Fight.
I got, alright, no. No. I do know some of this guy's move though. That does give me a slight advantage. Ha! Oh fuck. Ah. Damn. Damn it! I can't even get a fucking combo. There you go. I like that. I like it. Oh fuck, he's blocked. No. Oh fuck. Hello? I'm hitting the fucking X-ray. Yeah. Yeah, get some. Oh. No. Oh.
Round 2. Fight.
Oh no! I just started. Oh my. Oh god. Ah. No! Dodge the fucking fireball. Don't just take it like a fucking asshole. Oh, great. Oh, well, there goes my face. Oh, I don't even know what the fuck that was, but like, yes! Yes! I won a round!
Round 3. Fight.
That can never last too long. No! Ah. Fuck. Shit. Oh, I lost a fucking fireball myself. Oh! Yes! Yes, do it again! Whoop! Yeah, what? I was out of the fucking way! Get. Oh, shit. Get another bicycle. Get kicked in the face! Get another bicycle kick! Oh, shit. Oh, no, I got this. Oh, finish. What's my finish? Finisher, finisher, finisher. Oh, sick moves. Up. Right, down, down. Okay, I got this. Yeah. What's it? Oh. Ooh. Damn.
Liu Kang wins.
Yeah, I'll take that.
Fatality.
Bitch got nothing.